Hi, and welcome back. In this video, we're going to make the easiest homemade soap with just 3 ingredients: soap base, turmeric powder, and rosemary essential oil.
What do you mean the easiest? Wasn't the previous one you made the easiest?
The previous one was super easy, but this one is the easiest.
Okay, I gotcha.
Melt and pour soaps are a great option if you're looking for a do-it-yourself that is super easy and the result is not only beautiful but also useful.
Yeah, useful, and you saw me using it in our previous video, right?
First, we're going to weigh the soap base. I will use the pre-cut Valona melt and pour soap base to save some time, otherwise half of this video would be me cutting it. Is it the right size?
No.
Like this?
No. One simple cut, like this. See? Simple.
Tell me one more thing.
We will have short technical break. Thank you.
We need half a pound of Shea Butter melt and pour soap for this recipe, and we'll get 4 bars of soap in the end. Shea Butter in the soap base is widely used because it's very moisturizing. It's anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, antibacterial, and antifungal. Impressive, right?
Right.
But it goes further than that. It doesn't contain chemical irritants known to dry out skin, and it doesn't clog pores, so it's appropriate for nearly any skin type. Place the soap into a large heat-safe container and melt it in the microwave using 30 seconds burst, or use a double boiler. Reminder, do not overheat your soap base. For Valona soap bases, it is not recommended to heat them more than 185 Fahrenheit or 85 Celsius.
Too hot.
Because it's a big amount of soap, it will take a few minutes to melt.
And how long is a few minutes?
Depends on your microwave. Usually it takes around 2 or 3 minutes. While soap base is melting, mix 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder with 2 tablespoons of 99% isopropyl alcohol. Doing so helps the turmeric more easily mix into the melted soap without chunks.
I'm not in India. Where do I get it?
Thanks to globalization, you can find it in any supermarket. This light yellow-orange spice gives curry its color.
But today we're making soap, not curry. So why use turmeric powder?
Turmeric gets its health benefits primarily because of curcumin, a bioactive component. Curcumin has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. These characteristics will provide glow and luster to the skin. Turmeric can also revive your skin by bringing out its natural glow. The curcumin found in turmeric can help wounds heal by decreasing inflammation. The anti-inflammatory qualities can target your pores and calm the skin. This combination of uses may help your face clear up from acne breakouts. Before applying turmeric or anything else on your face, first do a patch test on your arms to check if your skin reacts to it. If you're not allergic to turmeric, then you can use the soap safely. You can use turmeric alone, but that will leave yellow stains on your face. Hence, it's best to mix it with other natural ingredients. Once the soap is melted, add all the dispersed turmeric powder and the rosemary oil that will give a final product a pleasant, spicy smell. I will use 15 drops of rosemary oil. You can also try orange or lemon essential oils, or leave the soap unscented. Mix the ingredients thoroughly. Rosemary has been harvested and used for thousands of years for antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and antioxidant benefits, as well as purported benefits such as memory improvement and hair growth stimulation. But it also has numerous benefits for skin. Helps fight the acne bacteria from getting into your pores, helps shrink the appearance of large pores. As an oxidant, it helps prevent many types of premature signs of aging, and it can even decrease eye puffiness. Pour the soap into each cavity of the mold. After each pour, spray the top of the bars with 99% isopropyl alcohol to help get rid of the bubbles. Allow the soap to fully cool and harden. Remove from the mold and enjoy. You can also decorate the ready soap to make it look more like a present. If your soap base is high in glycerin, make sure to pack it with a plastic wrap to prevent glycerin dew, soap getting wet by absorbing water from humid air. But with Valona soap bases, you won't need to worry about it unless you live in a very humid area. What other interesting combinations of additives and soap do you know? Tell us in comments below this video. Hit like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. See you soon!